So let's look at Toshi price update real quick. We are going to briefly talk about the Fib levels, the Fibonacci levels on Toshi, and not to forget, in this video we are going to briefly discuss the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, and also to bring it to you guys' attention, Ethereum just tapped into a bearish order block on the daily time frame. I think I brought this to your attention few days before the July 21st and 22nd dump we had a couple of days ago. And when Ethereum had that correction from there, most altcoins tanked minus 15 to minus close to 30, minus 30%. You get Ethereum has now traded back into this bearish order block. So I just thought I should bring it to you guys' attention, and that's why I'm currently I currently dropped an Ethereum long entry setup on the Telegram channel. You understand? So that should in case we start getting that rejection, we are likely to enter the long setup, because I'm expecting a rejection already for Ethereum from this daily bearish order block. Now, we are going to briefly talk about the BTC dominance as well. Ethereum BTC pair is still looking very, very good, so there's no cause for alarm at all. Ethereum is the #1 meme coin in the crypto space, so whatever Ethereum does, Toshi is definitely going to do the same. You understand? For now, the Toshi volume is down, because if you're paying attention to the RXI is below the 40% level, which is currently indicating an entry opportunity. But before, I think whatever I say is strictly my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. But if you're paying attention to the Toshi RXI, it has provided an entry opportunity. But since we are entering the month of August, which we are just left with about a couple of hours, right? 12 hours and 41 minutes until this current monthly candle closes before we enter the month of August. So since we are entering the month of August, I think we all should play safe, except if you want to DCA into Toshi. Now, if you want to DCA into Toshi, then I think the DCA should begin from this level, because the current Toshi price is consolidating around the 0.5 Fibonacci level. Before we proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if this is your first time, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new Toshi video, by the way. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. We need to bring more attention to Toshi. We are in the attention economy. The more attention, the more engagement Toshi content gets across various social medias, the more we are likely to attract new investors. The bull market is coming to an end soon. We have 77 days left technically, which I would advise to play safe, to be on the safer side. You should start taking massive profit when we get to October 2025. January, which is the Q1 2026, is going to be the official top. But to be on the safer side, by the time the BTC dominance, that's why I've drawn you guys' attention to the BTC dominance countless times. By the time you see the BTC dominance around the 55% and also 47% level, you should start considering taking massive profit to be on the safer side. Take good profit from your Toshi, except if you are an ultra long-term holder on Toshi, if you don't intend taking profit in this market cycle. But for those intending to take massive profit from Toshi in this market cycle, October should be the month you should be looking forward to. Except if we get the super cycle, the meme coin, the altcoin super cycle we all have been waiting for, which a lot of people have been speculating. But if the meme coin super cycle is not happening, then October should be when you should start considering exiting some positions on Toshi. And here's the thing. If you're paying attention to Toshi on CoinMarketCap, the trading volume is down minus 13% in the last 24 hours. The Toshi trading volume is currently at $16.6 million across cryptocurrency exchanges. In the long run, Toshi can easily, even before this market cycle comes to an end, we should start expecting a $2 billion, $5 billion for the price of Toshi coin if you want to play very, 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 very safe. You get the current price is currently at 0.0005576. So yeah, A $2.3 billion for Toshi market cap from here is going to be a 10x. And the $23 billion is going to be a 100x. But to be on the safer side, I wouldn't advise you target the $23 billion market cap, except if we are getting an altcoin super cycle. But if we are not getting an altcoin super cycle, targeting a $23 billion market cap for Toshi is a very, 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 very risky game. A $2.3 billion is very realistic. A $5 billion, $6 billion, $7 billion is very realistic for the Toshi market cap before this market cycle comes to an end. And also the rate cuts that we are still expecting, I think we are going to get a more straightforward outcome in the month of September. That rate cut, the moment the rate cut is happening, is going to mark the beginning of the end of this market cycle, which a lot of people are still going to be carried away, sidelined, holding bags until they round trip their profit. The moment you see that rate cut, you should start project. I'm going to update you guys like I've always done on when to exit, regardless of how you feel. I'll try my best possible not to be greedy at all, to avoid ending up round tripping. For the long-term holders on Toshi, you have nothing to worry about. You can hold, I'm talking about for those intending to hold for the next 3 years, 4 years, you have nothing to worry about at all. Because Toshi is still going to be relevant even in the next market cycle, which I'm going to take a massive entry on Toshi in the next bear market. I'm going to update you guys as well. According to the Fibonacci levels, I think the most crucial level here to bag more Toshi is the level around 0.618 Fibonacci zone, which is what I said few minutes ago. That level is a very, very crucial level to bag more Toshi. Now, I think the price around that level should be around 0.000, that is 3053, and also the price between 0.3049. If Toshi gets to that level, then you guys can bag Toshi heavily. If we eventually get that opportunity, but if we don't, then there's no cause for alarm. That's why I said it is wise to DCA into Toshi at this current price. We need more eyeballs, we need more attention on Toshi and Toshi content in order to drive more investors and more volume to Toshi coin. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. And so the BTC dominant, I gave you guys this chart in the previous video, so we are still waiting for it to play out, and the BTC price is still ranging for more than 20 days now. We are still in this ranging phase. A breakout of this range to either direction and a retest of it in either direction will mark the beginning of a new trend. So you guys need to pay attention. Not to forget that we are still expecting the BTC price to fill this CME gap we have around $114,000. Now, it's not a must a CME gap must get filled, but this CME gap is the closest to the current price of BTC. So what do you expect? The total trade, that is the altcoin market cap, excluding BTC, is currently trading in a bull flag on the 4-hour time frame. When we came down here, we got a bounce. So even if we are to reject back, I think we are going to get a bounce from this trend line once again. Maybe this time around, properly tap into this breaker block right here, and then get a bounce to the upside. A breakout of the upper trend line for this bull flag is going to full send the total trade market cap to around $1.2 trillion in market cap, because that is the target if you are to take the bull flag, the measurement from this level all the way to the top. And by the time it's breaking out, Toshi is going to be in an explosive phase by then. Toshi is already consolidating around an important Fibonacci level, 0.5. So anything around 0.5 Fibonacci level, which we are already trading in that zone, and also 0.618 Fibonacci level, is a good entry opportunity for Toshi. Like this video if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel if you've forgotten, if you haven't. As always, invest wisely. My name is Isaac, and the Fibonacci level should be used as a confluence. No indicator is 100% accurate, so it should be used as a confluence with other charts like Ethereum, BTC dominance chart in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. As always, peace out.